As a postgraduate student, I feel privileged to train in Department of Ophthalmology at Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital that offers such remarkable clinical exposure, a high surgical caseload, and abundant hands-on opportunities. The infrastructure is exceptional, equipped with advanced machines like OCT, perimetry, specular microscopy, and lasers, ensuring comprehensive exposure to all aspects of ophthalmology. What sets the department apart is its team of highly experienced and dedicated teaching faculty who not only impart excellent clinical and surgical skills but also encourage critical thinking and research. The department provides tremendous opportunities for academic and professional growth through paper presentation, conferences, and study grants. The learning environment here is structured, supportive, and deeply enriching, with stimulation-based learning, strong academic guidance, and extensive community outreach programs. The department truly provides a holistic platform for aspiring ophthalmologists. I feel genuinely proud to be part of such a progressive and dynamic department that blends compassion, innovation, and excellence in every aspect of ophthalmic education.